Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's another hair-related video. I'm so excited kasi alam ko ang dami nagko-comment either sa broadcast channel or here sa YouTube na hinihintay niyo yung right time para maka-purchase kayo ng dream hairstyle na lagi kong pinapakita sa inyo. And good news kasi now, what you can see here, ang ganda ng lalagyan, grabe. They now have a new and upgraded version of the Hairstyle Pro. And when you open it, super nice tong bagong color. And look at the material. Ang ganda! Meron siyang soft na pebbled pattern na parang leather-like. And it now includes 7 different attachments. Before ko pakita sa inyo yung bago, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung previous version. So yung previous version only has 5 attachments. And wala siya nung case, as in nandito lang siya sa box. And ganito yung finish ng mismong device. Actually, still looks locked, pero ibang level lang talaga yung bago nila. So again, i-closer lock dito sa main device. So this is the switch. So kapag ginanyan siya, and it's already open, and then, habang nandun siya sa on, pwede nyo siyang i-pull pataas para dun sa cold shot kapag ginagamit nyo yung curling attachment, which I'll be showing you later. And meron siyang 3 temperature modes. So, white one is the cool setting, the orange one is yung medium, and the red yung pinaka-hot setting niya. And it also has 3 airflow speeds. Kita nyo naman, kapag isa lang yung ilaw, yun yung pinakamahina, and then kapag naka-on lahat, yun yung pinakamalakas. And I also like this small detail na hindi nagtatanggal kahit na ikot-ikutin mo yung device. Very quickly lang on the technical side, before I show you the attachment, ang nagustuhan ko lang din dito, like with the other Dream hair tools, is that they always make a way to still care for your hair and for your scalp while styling your hair. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga hair tools mayroong technology that still cares for your hair. So this one, meron siya 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. So kumbaga, it gives powerful airflow without the extreme heat. And meron siyang jet airflow technology. Actually, parang naka-trademark ata yun sa kanila. So to simplify it, nagpo-provide siya ng high-speed airflow while maintaining consistent temperature. Capable siya to prevent yung unnecessary and excess heat which causes hair damage. So first attachment is the fast dryer. Of course, yung first step naman natin in styling our hair is drying our hair from the shower. So in-apply na rin nila dito yung high-speed technology, meaning ang bilis niya nang makadry ng hair. I have long hair at the moment. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapagpagupit. And kaya niya fully i-dry yung hair ko for as fast as 3 minutes. And I like how it's gentle on the hair. Like wala siyang excessive heat or hindi siya yung parang napapaso yung scalp ko. And next is, alam nyo na yan, one of my favorite attachments, the flyaway attachment, lalo na kung marami rin kayong baby hairs like me. So this one, from drying your hair, gamit yung fast dryer attachment. Kasi di ba minsan merong mga frizz pang natitira yung hair natin. So this one flattens the frizz. At the same time, nakaka-help din siya in order for your hair to look smooth. Isa to sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na inventions when it comes to hair tools. Kasi na-help na idapa yung mga baby hairs without it looking super duper flat. And if you're a fan of straight hair, lalo na kung dati kayong gumagamit ng mga hair iron, pero you want something that's less damaging to the hair, you can achieve the same look just by using yung combination nitong flyaway attachment, of course, after drying your hair, and either of these two. So, ito yung dalawang smoothing brush. So, first one is itong hard smoothing brush. So, ito yung mga pinaka-bristles niya. Since straightforward lang siya na ganyan, and this is designed for stubborn hair knots, or kung meron kayong coarse hair type. So, this one, kaya niyang smoothen and detangle yung mga hair na naturally madaling mag-create, mag-form ng mga stubborn knots. While on the other hand, ito yung personal ko na ginagamit, itong soft smoothing brush. So as you can see, yung pinaka-bristles niya, meron siyang parang mga bilog sa dulo. And this is designed for those na merong soft or fragile hair with sensitive scalp. Actually, ako at first, akala ko walang use sa akin yung mga ganito, pero it's really smoothening. It still has body, yet na-tame yung baby hairs nyo at the same time, na-smoothen. Not just the appearance, kahit kapag hinawakan nyo yung hair nyo, as in, ang lambot talaga for some reason kapag ginamit nyo yung flyaway attachment and the smoothing brush. But ako personally, I really have naturally flat and straight hair, so I like using a round brush. So this is one of my favorite attachments. So this is the one I use to achieve yung volumized blowout look. On days na ayoko naman mag-curl, I want something that's just very effortless. Kasi ito yung attachment na makaka-help sa'yo ma-achieve yung as if nag-rollers ka. And most of the time, I also still use this to prep my hair before curling it. Kasi kapag naka-curl na yung dulo, mas yumayakap siya ng mabilis dun sa curling rod. So always yan sa mga hair tools, curls kapag may ganitong attachment. Isa to sa lagi kong gamit na gamit. And of course, my personal favorite attachments. So these are the 32mm auto wrap barrels. So dito nga lang sa bago nila maghihiwalay yung attachment sa different directions. So kung makikita nyo, meron siyang arrow. So doon papunta yung air. So if you want your curls na away from your face, you use the arrow away from your face. If you really want your curls to last as much as possible, when you're going to use these attachments, I recommend that you start with around mga 70% na wet hair. And then mag-start kayo sa end and then wait nyo yung ends ng hair nyo na yumakap na dun sa rod. And that's when you're going to pull it towards your face. So dapat as in mahigpit siya. And once na nakakapit na siya sa hair nyo, ako bumibilang ako ng mga around 10 to 15 seconds and then I use the cold shot. That they made easier for us na you just have to pull up yung power button dun sa mismong device. Siguro mga around another 10 seconds for the cold shot and that's it. So ako, if I want more volume, I mix two different directions on one side. And if I want something na parang blowout style lang din, I go for the direction na towards my face. And those are the 7 different attachments that you can use together or separately depending on the style that you're going for. And nakaka-happy lang din yung pag-upgrade ni Dream. Like, they give us the luxe experience and the advanced technology while still being at a reasonable price. So yep, this is a very good news lalo dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-purchase or if you're just planning to get an upgrade sa hair tools nyo, lalo na malapit na yung double-digit sale, ako I always recommend if you're going to have mga big purchases, isakto nyo sa mga double-digit sale kasi lagi yan. As in, makukuha nyo talaga less than the regular price. Which is sayang din, diba? Kasi minsan may mga added vouchers pa sila aside dun sa sale price. So I hope this helps. Let me know kung meron kayong questions about the product or on how I use it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as well. Stay safe and stay healthy and I hope to still see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!